We insure a lot of sole proprietors, and a question we get when we're writing their business owner's policy or general liability policy is, do I need workers' compensation insurance? And I'm always happy to tell people when they don't need to buy an insurance product. I feel like the insurance industry has been known for just wanting to sell everybody everything. I always like telling people you do not need it. As long as you don't have any employees, you do not need workers' comp insurance. But as soon as you hire your first person, as infrequent or as casual it may be, you are required to carry workers' compensation. So if you start paying somebody 2 hours a week to come in and help you with your paperwork, to do some filing for your computer work, you are going to need a workers' compensation insurance policy for that. The other most common reason that we see sole proprietors be required to carry workers' compensation insurance is if they're doing work for another company. So they usually call us to say, geez, this company is asking me for a certificate of insurance showing that I have general liability insurance and workers' compensation. They always say, I don't have any employees, I don't need workers' compensation. Why do I need to carry this coverage? The reason is simple, because if you don't have it, that company that you're doing the work for is going to be charged to add you to their workers' compensation policy. So whatever they pay you, that company is going to treat it like payroll, a payroll exposure, and they are going to get charged for an uninsured subcontractor on their insurance policy. So as long as you are able to provide that you have your own general liability and workers' compensation policy, it establishes you as a true independent contractor from them, that they won't be charged for you on their policy. Now, if you carry a workers' compensation policy, you want to do the same thing for anybody that does work for you as well. You want to require that they carry general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance, and you want to get certificates of insurance that it is valid. Because at audit time, at the end of every policy period with workers' compensation, you are subject to an audit. They are going to ask you to provide copies of these certificates for the people that did work for you. And if you cannot provide them, you will be charged on your workers' comp policy. And audits are always a pain point for our clients. Nobody likes to get a surprise bill from their workers' comp audit. So don't find yourself caught by not having the proper paperwork. So I hope you found this information helpful, and we'll talk to you soon.